Are you looking for the best HDR drones? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best HDR drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Air 3. DJI Air drone, with its dual primary cameras offering creative focal length options, is ideal for capturing stunning environments during travel photography. It complies with FAA remote ID rules, ensuring safe and legal drone operation. The omnidirectional obstacle sensing feature provides enhanced safety in challenging environments like forests. With the ability to capture 48MP photos and record 4K per 60 frames per second HDR videos, you can document your adventures with incredible detail and vibrant colors. What we like: dual cameras for creative shots, compliance with FAA remote ID, 48MP photos and 4K videos. Number 2. DJI Air 3 Drone Fly More Combo. The DJI Air 3 drone offers an incredible bundle for photography enthusiasts. With its dual cameras, you can explore various focal lengths, making it perfect for capturing stunning travel shots. Enjoy an impressive flight time of up to 46 minutes, giving you ample opportunity to seize every moment without the hassle of frequent recharges. Safety is a priority, as the drone features omnidirectional obstacle sensing, allowing you to fly confidently even in tricky environments. Additionally, the 48MP image capability ensures that your photos maintain high quality, even when cropped, revealing hidden details in your adventures. What we like: long flight time, dual camera flexibility, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, high-quality 48MP images. Number 3. DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo Lightweight 4K HDR Camera Drone. The DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo is a lightweight and compact camera drone, perfect for adventurers. With up to 38 minutes of battery life, you can capture stunning 4K HDR video and use true vertical shooting to capture tall landmarks. Quick shots and panorama modes make it easy to get epic shots, and the drone can resist winds up to 38 km per hour. Plus, the combo includes 2 additional intelligent flight batteries, a 2-way charging hub, and a shoulder bag. What we like: lightweight and compact, up to 38 minutes of battery life, 4K HDR video and true vertical shooting. Number 4. DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus. The DJI Mini 4 Pro offers a lightweight design, allowing you to travel easily without the hassle of registration. With its advanced 4K HDR video capabilities, you can capture stunning visuals of sunrises or sunsets directly from the camera, ready to share. The drone features omnidirectional obstacle sensing, enhancing your flying confidence by detecting obstacles from all angles. Additionally, enjoy longer flight times with extended battery life, so you can explore vast landscapes without worrying about running out of power. What we like: lightweight and portable, high-quality 4K video, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, extended battery life. Number 5. AOTULIGHT V196 Mini Drone. The AOTULIGHT Mini Drone is perfect for both beginners and experienced users. Its upgraded remote control features a USB interface for quick charging and allows you to see real-time images as you fly, enhancing your aerial photography experience. The powerful brushless motor ensures stable flights even in windy conditions, making it easier for you to control. With advanced obstacle avoidance technology, this drone automatically detects and avoids obstacles, reducing the risk of crashes. Plus, the 3-camera system with 50x zoom lets you capture stunning aerial shots from various angles without limitations. What we like: real-time image transmission, stable flight in wind, automatic obstacle avoidance, 50x zoom capability.